Hello and welcome to the AI Tech Evolution channel. In today's video, I want to share with you my story of how I came up with the idea of using AI tools in my business and how the idea of starting AI Tech Evolution was born. My goal is to inspire and help you utilize AI technology in your own business. Creating thorough and informative content on AI Tech Evolution is my aim, and in order to do so, I want to share my story and idea through this video. By doing so, I hope that we can get to know each other better and that my ideas through AI Tech Evolution will be useful and help you see AI tools in a new light and implement them in your business. Who am I? I am not an IT engineer, nor am I an expert in developing AI technology. I am essentially an enthusiast and a user of various AI tools that I have implemented in my business to save time and resources. Furthermore, I am passionate about discovering new technologies and finding ways to use them in the best way possible. How did AI Tech Evolution come to life? My entry into the online business world began actively around 2014 when I delved deeper into digital marketing and various business models that I researched. In 2017, my main focus was solely on CPA and affiliate marketing, and I spent a lot of time learning and experiencing both successes and setbacks. However, as a fighter and enthusiast of endless ideas, I never saw giving up on my goals and ideas as one of the options. In 2019, upon joining a community on one of the specialized affiliate marketing forums, I discovered and got to know the real world of affiliate marketing behind the scenes that cannot be found on YouTube and the like. It was a brilliant community of professional affiliate marketers that marked the beginning of my rise. Despite these challenges, I never considered giving up on my goals and ideas. As an enthusiast with an unquenchable thirst for new ideas and technology, I continued to explore different marketing strategies and tools, and I enjoyed the benefits that came with each one. As an affiliate marketer, I learned how to stay ahead of the competition and always be a few steps ahead by discovering and testing new strategies and markets. However, my biggest challenge was that I was alone on my journey and didn't have like-minded colleagues to work with on my ideas. I was often misunderstood by my friends, who didn't share my passion for affiliate marketing and didn't fully understand what I was doing. Because I lacked the resources to hire experts in certain areas, I learned and did everything myself. My focus was solely on CPA campaigns because I could handle most of it myself. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, requires more resources and a serious team to be successful. Since I only had 24 hours a day, I didn't think too much about building a strong foundation such as a blog or YouTube channel. As an affiliate marketer, I was always thinking about strategies, such as focusing on the US market and other first-world countries where English is widely used. However, there is fierce competition in some niches, so I also explored other markets. The challenge, of course, was language. As I couldn't afford to pay for a professional translator, I, like many others, resorted to the copy-slash-paste method for content in languages such as German, Italian, Greek, etc. More or less, I could always manage with English, but other languages were a problem. In search of possible solutions, I discovered TTS, text-to-speech tools, and I was immediately thrilled by the possibilities. I was amazed that I could convert any text into speech in just a few clicks. Brilliant! Now I had an idea of how to create content more easily in English and even 20+ other languages. Moreover, I realized that my focus shouldn't be on written content, but solely on video and audio content. Excited to have discovered a great solution, I also noticed a significant problem with text-to-speech software. TTS voices had a lot of background noise and sounded robotic without much dynamic and liveliness, which was bad and annoying for longer listening. Therefore, it was questionable how useful TTS software was at that time. I scoured the internet from top to bottom to find the best TTS software available at that time. I realized that premium TTS software with professionally recorded voices wasn't too far ahead of free TTS software. So, I narrowed down my choices among TTS software that was more or less usable. At one point, a crazy and cool idea. I was thinking about possible solutions for TTS voices, as the possibilities for content creation were too good not to be utilized. Since my hobby is music, playing, and audio production, I gave a lot of thought to sound and the issues with TTS voices. At one point, a crazy and cool idea came to me that TTS voices could be treated like vocals in music. I thought that issues like background noise and hissing with pronounced SSSSS could be softened or removed as much as possible. In the middle of the night, I couldn't sleep, so I sat down at my computer, fired up Pro Tools, and imported audio files of a few TTS voices, male and female. I spent almost the entire night playing with EQ, compressors, noise gates, and other effects and plugins used in vocal production in music. I was surprised by the combinations and colors of TTS voices I got. It was quite satisfactory for YouTube video content.
Text-to-speech technology has come a long way since its inception. With the advances in artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and machine learning, TTS systems have become more accurate and human-like than ever before. As a result, businesses have started to incorporate TTS technology into their marketing strategies, using it to create voiceovers for videos, audio ads, and even phone systems. One of the main advantages of using TTS in marketing is that it allows businesses to create audio content quickly and cost-effectively. Unlike human voiceover artists, TTS systems can work around the clock, producing audio content at a fraction of the cost. Moreover, TTS technology can be used to generate audio content in multiple languages, allowing businesses to expand their reach to a global audience. Text-to-speech technology is not only useful in marketing, but also in various other aspects of business. For example, it can be used to create automated phone systems, reducing the need for human operators and improving customer service. TTS systems can also be used to generate audio reports, allowing businesses to quickly analyze data and make informed decisions. Another advantage of TTS technology is that it can be personalized to suit the needs of individual businesses. By selecting the appropriate voice, tone, and language, businesses can create a unique brand identity that resonates with their target audience. TTS technology can also be integrated with other software applications, such as chatbots and virtual assistants, to provide a more seamless customer experience. Overall, the benefits of using TTS technology in marketing and business are numerous. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for TTS systems in the years to come.
Text-to-speech, TTS, technology has come a long way since its inception in the early 20th century. From early mechanical speech machines to modern software-based systems, TTS has played a key role in enabling people with visual impairments or reading difficulties to access written content. The development of TTS has been driven by advances in digital signal processing, machine learning, and natural language processing. Today, TTS can generate highly natural-sounding voices that can mimic human speech in terms of intonation, emphasis, and emotion. With the increasing demand for audio content, TTS is becoming an essential tool for content creators to convert written text into high-quality audio.
The evolution of TTS technology has revolutionized the way content is created and consumed. With the use of TTS, content creators can generate audio versions of their written content, making it more accessible to a wider audience. Post-produced TTS can provide added value to audio content, allowing for the customization of voices, accents, and tones to match the target audience. In addition, TTS can be used to create personalized audio messages, such as audiobooks or voice assistants, that can be tailored to individual preferences. As TTS technology continues to improve, it will undoubtedly have an even greater impact on the future of content creation and consumption.
I started working on content for YouTube in different niches. Instead of writing reviews and similar content that I would usually put on my blog, I made videos. I worked on video content and researched TTS software every day, experimenting with TTS voices in Pro Tools. While searching for text-to-speech software, I came across AI-generated voices produced through neural networks. Neural TTS voices were more dynamic, with fewer background noise issues, and more pleasant to listen to. That was already the year 2020, and that's where my interest and acquaintance with AI technology began. Every day, I would set aside time to Google and read more about AI technology, mostly following text-to-speech software because they were the most significant for me to use in creating my content at the time. During that period in 2020, several premium TTS software appeared on the market that were impressive at the time. Some were heavily advertised on Facebook and were already popping up in my face. But, sticking to my principles, I didn't pay too much attention to the beautiful landing pages, flashy colors, and fancy features. Usually, I have a habit of paying more attention to something unobtrusive. Scrolling and watching reviews, more or less, all TTS software that was advertised as a revolution, AI, neural technology, the voices sounded the same, with the main difference being in the prices. I concluded that I should look for what was most suitable for me at the time, considering my budget. I had a few choices. Furthermore, I had a text-to-speech software with a monthly subscription of $30, plus an additional subscription for extra features, which actually amounted to more than $30 per month. After carefully searching on ClickBank, I discovered a non-intrusive text-to-speech software that offered a one-time payment with an additional commercial use license, along with an annual subscription fee of $70. The TTS voices with all the advanced voice tuning functions were quite satisfactory, the price suited me, and I bought the text-to-speech software without much thought. The annual subscription of $70 for the license was acceptable to me. What's the problem if I pay for hosting and a few other significant tools, to set aside $70 annually for a cool software? I stopped using all the free text-to-speech software and stopped looking for other software because I had found a TTS software that was satisfactory and did an excellent job. Following the latest trends in the world of affiliate marketing and staying up to date with the community on the forum, I became familiar with AI tools for generating written content. That's when I started using Copy.ai for writing content. What was interesting was that the forum owner and their team of programmers had created some AI-powered tools for generating content and tracking affiliate campaigns. So, I was familiar with OpenAI's work on time and I followed their news. I don't know how many marketers in the world of digital marketing were familiar with AI tools, but affiliate marketers eagerly awaited in 2021 when OpenAI released ChatGPT Playground. It didn't become as notable and overnight popular as its successor, ChatGPT. But ChatGPT Playground was significant for automation and content creation. If you've been keeping up with the latest trends on YouTube, you've probably noticed an abundance of courses promising to automate your YouTube channel and generate insane profits. It was thrilling to watch the development of AI tools, and test and use them in my business. As I was mainly focused on using text-to-speech software, my idea was to narrow my focus on the niche around TTS software. But since I do everything myself, alongside the regular campaigns that I managed and worked on, I didn't have much time to focus on content around text-to-speech software. Which is good. I had purchased domains for my Super Voice and TTS Speech, but I never built those sites beyond basic pages. Eventually, I didn't renew those domains. With the release of ChatGPT and its overnight world domination and the insane explosion of AI tools at the beginning of the year, I thought it would be pointless to limit myself solely to text-to-speech software. Because I use a lot of AI tools in my content creation. And as time goes on, who knows which other AI tools I will use. In that regard, I've been thinking about my journey and development through affiliate marketing, observing since 2019 through text-to-speech software how AI technology is evolving. Development and growth are simply a form of evolution. Just like when I think of a name for a band, I came up with the name AI Tech Evolution for my domain and blog. It's based on the same principle of creating a name that is catchy, easy to remember, and relevant to the topic. AI Tech Evolution was not invented by ChatGPT, I invented it. At this moment, we can only speculate about where and how far AI technology will take us. But for now, there is still a human behind AI technology, and it will be like that in the coming years. It is up to us to enjoy the benefits that AI technology allows us. One more important detail in my idea. As a lone wolf on this journey without a team, having ChatGPT as an assistant is brilliant. His help is immeasurable and invaluable. I am the one who generates ideas for content and provides input to ChatGPT. I don't see why it would be a problem for Google or anyone else to know whether the content was written by a human or an AI, since a human is still involved in the process. The AI doesn't write content on its own, but rather with input and guidance from a human. How could I afford to hire a copywriter, proofreader, translator, developer, and anyone else I might need on my team? Is this the ideal solution? I don't know. I know that humans make mistakes and there is no such thing as perfection, so why wouldn't an AI machine make mistakes too? Over time, these mistakes will be corrected, and certainly, AI is more understandable and makes fewer mistakes than humans. That would be my story about encountering AI technology and coming up with the idea to start the AI Tech Evolution blog. I hope you will find value in my ideas through the content on the AI Tech Evolution blog, and that you will learn to harness AI in your business. I wanted to share my story with you, so we could get to know each other better. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and check the video description for a link to our blog. Also, subscribe to our newsletter to stay updated on the latest content we're preparing for AI Tech Evolution. Enjoy life and cheers!